Hello everyone, I am Lavanya Vaishnavi. Welcome back to Digital Signal Processing classes. Today we will analyze how to calculate the twiddle factors. So this is module 1, discrete Fourier transforms. Now let us see how to calculate the twiddle factor. Before calculating, let us set up the calculator to a mode where we can calculate twiddle factors very easily. The first one is go to the mode, that is mode, select complex, like whatever the answers or whatever the data we are getting, that will be in complex form, so take complex. And what about the input? So for the input we are taking radians, like I'll be giving the data in the form of radians, that is angle. Therefore I'll set up into radians mode. It is in degree, so I'll set up into radians mode. For that, go to shift and press setup. There you will get a degree and radian. I want radian, select radian. Okay, so this is the initial setting what you have to make with your calculator. Now coming to the twiddle factors. So in the class we have discussed like what is the twiddle factor. You have Wn Kn, which is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by capital N into Kn. So this will be the twiddle factor, and we know that for any twiddle factor, so n will be given for any problem. So n will be given. Say I'll calculate n equal to 4. I'll take n equal to 4, and if n equal to 4, I can vary the value of small n. I can vary this value of small n from 0 to n minus 1, and I'll retain k as it is as a constant. Now what I need to calculate is Wn n into k. Okay, so only this part I'm going to calculate. So this k we will substitute in the problem. Okay, so k I'm not substituting here, only thing is I'm calculating n. Now so w4, so n I'll vary from, because n is capital N is equal to 4, small n will be varying from 0, 1, 2, 3. N minus 1 is 3. So W4 0. First I'll be having this value. Next W4 1, W4 2, W4 3. So I need to calculate all these values. Now let me analyze what I need to calculate actually is, see here, the thing is W4 0 is nothing but cos of 2 pi by n is 4, so 4 into 0 minus j into sine of 2 pi by 4 into 0. Okay, so or in general I'll tell W4 Kn is nothing but cos of pi into 2 pi by n into Kn minus j into sine of pi into, sorry, here you don't have pi, 2 Kn divided by n. Now this complete thing is 0, and here this complete thing is 0 in the above problem, right? So now I need to calculate it. How do I calculate it? First take cos alpha a, shift 10 power x, which will give you pi, minus sine a pi into I. Okay, so now I have typed the equation whatever I require. Now what is this a value? A value is nothing but 2 Kn by capital N, or I can write 2 into Kn by n. Okay, so now calculate what is 2 into Kn by n, that is this value, 2 into 0 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. I'll show you again. Now once you type the equation, press on this calculate button, you will be getting the value, like what value you have to take for a. Now I'll choose the value what I have to take. So here I'll be taking as 1 into 2, or this 2, this is 1, Kn is 1. 2 into 1 divided by capital N is 4. So what is the value? It is minus I, which is nothing but minus j. Okay. Next, calculate 2 into 2 divided by 4. It is minus 1. Okay. So again, calculate 3 into 2 divided by 4, which is j. Now, the twiddle factors are 1 minus j minus 1 j. So these are the twiddle factors for n point DFT, that is 4 n equal to 4 point DFT. 4 point DFT. Hope this is clear. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So if you have any doubts, write me back to my mail ID. Like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.